guys, so you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Very fast, we just quickly want to check the outlook of NFP. What do you think NFP is going to be? Will it make dollar to be strong or will it make dollar to be weak? So now, whether you are trading gold, which is XAUUSD, or you are trading any major pair, now you need to watch out for this news event. Okay. Now, obviously, from every indication, they're expecting a bad news for the dollar. Even the average hourly earnings we're expecting to be bad, which is zero point 0.3 against zero point 0.4. And NFP, they're expecting 164K against 227K. So, what if the news comes out good? What do we expect the dollar to do? Are we expecting the dollar to ride on the strength immediately, or we expect it to do the opposite? Now, right now, dollar is average, not too strong, and not too weak. So, if there's any expectation we are looking out for, this is USJPY. My take is going to be above this previous high, then also below this low here, anywhere here, because if you're expecting a major move, that's a support. This is a resistance, right? Now for Euro USD, if you're expecting any major move, you see this somewhere around there, this support, right? And obviously, right now, price is ranging here. Okay. Now, anywhere above will be okay for your buy entry. Anywhere below this point will be okay for your sell entry. GBP USD has almost the same move with Euro USD. So, with what price is doing here, you see, price has been doing up and down in between this particular movement. So if you are looking out to take any possible movement, that's any possible chance, anywhere above here will be fine. Anywhere below this particular low will be fine because the news can come out to be up and down. And if it's up and down, it's not really good for you as a trader because you won't have a clear direction. Okay, good. Yeah, gold has actually been tilting upward, coming down, going, doing high. Every day there's always an high. So today there's a new high. So we don't know what's going to happen. Will gold fall or will gold continue to pull up? Now, the news determines what will happen to gold. If gold will pull up or if gold will pull down. All right. Now, just look out for possible entries, just like I've showed us, in between the support and resistance zones, up and down. All right. Now, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, after the NFP, I'm still coming up, and let's see where price eventually peak, up or down. So after the NFP, we'll be doing a long-term analysis on whether we should buy or we should go long or we should go short on any of these major pair and gold. Thank you so much. All right. See you in my next video.